Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains Tesla Model 3 paint peeling prematurely and the likely reasons that have been documented based on verified information. In certain Tesla Model 3 vehicles, owners may notice paint peeling, flaking, or clear coat separation earlier than expected, sometimes around panel edges, wheel arches, rocker panels, or areas exposed to road debris. The vehicle remains drivable, but cosmetic appearance and surface protection can be affected. This behavior does not affect all Model 3 vehicles and varies by model year, paint formulation, manufacturing conditions, and operating environment rather than indicating a universal paint defect. Verified information shows that one documented reason involves paint and clear coat thickness and adhesion characteristics. Automotive paint systems rely on proper surface preparation, primer bonding, base coat application, and curing. Variations in paint thickness, adhesion at panel edges, or curing conditions can make certain areas more susceptible to peeling over time, especially where panels experience flex or abrasion. This video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by model year mileage or prior body repairs, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. A certified mechanic or dealership should be consulted for vehicle-specific diagnosis. Environmental exposure is also a documented factor. Frequent exposure to road salt, gravel, sand, moisture, and UV radiation can accelerate wear on painted surfaces. Areas behind wheels or along lower body panels experience repeated impact from debris, which can chip paint and allow moisture intrusion that leads to peeling. Manufacturing and design-related considerations have also been reviewed. Panel gaps, sharp edges, or trim contact points can concentrate stress on paint layers. As a possible contributing factor, protective film coverage differences or lack of additional shielding in high-impact zones could be related in some vehicles, but this is treated as a possibility rather than a confirmed cause in every case. Previous repairs or surface treatments further influence outcomes. Repainted panels, touch-up work, or aftermarket coatings applied without proper surface preparation may have reduced adhesion, increasing the likelihood of peeling compared to factory-applied finishes. Corrective actions described in verified information typically include professional inspection to determine whether peeling is due to impact damage, adhesion failure, or environmental wear. Remedies may involve repainting affected panels, applying protective films in high-impact areas, or evaluating warranty coverage where applicable. Reviewed information indicates that premature paint peeling is not universal and often relates to a combination of environmental exposure, paint system characteristics, and localized stress areas rather than a widespread manufacturing issue. In conclusion, Tesla Model 3 paint peeling prematurely is generally linked to paint adhesion behavior, environmental and road debris exposure, panel design factors, or prior surface work rather than routine vehicle operation. The issue varies by vehicle and usage, and resolution depends on accurate assessment and appropriate body repair action. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.